Hello everyone, my name is Zara and I represent Algorithmics in Morocco and more precisely in Kenitra district. And I'm here to share with you our experience with our partnership with Algorithmics. We actually started our school in November 2022. It took us approximately 2 months between sales and marketing trainings and also hiring the teachers and following up with them. So basically our first IL or our first class started in the last week of January and first week of February. What we like the most about working with Algorithmics is their strong focus on the results. They always provided us with the tools and the necessary support to achieve our goals, and we saw great success by the end of the day. For future partners of Algorithmics, I would highly recommend being focused on the results and being prepared to work hard in the first few months. Also, something I would really recommend is to hire the maximum of the teachers and to have them certified, because you will always have a need, as not all of them will stay committed till the end. And always have someone to replace with if any of your team decides to quit, especially in the first few months. And you should know that the parents are a very high demanding kind of clients. So it's essential to learn how to sell effectively and to concentrate on providing the best service to your customers, which are parents. Overall, our experience of working with Algorithmics has been fantastic, and I would highly recommend them to anyone who's looking to start their own education school or own education business. Thank you so much and have a nice day.